pass away nga, pag nilalaman about it?
Well, we were surprised. But at the same time, you know, kasi we hadn't seen her na for some time, di ba? Parang hindi na siya nag-perform for some time. Hinahanap ko nga kanina kung ano yung last performance niya. But I remember Pilitas ko, I mean, we did a movie together, you know, yung mga ganon, pareho kami mga medyo matapag-kapa ng boses. So, well, she was always a happy, very boisterous, yeah, she will be missed.
Pero yung mga fondest memories ko lang sa kanya yung mga
Well, alam mo yun na nga, hindi masyado. Yun lang yun, yung shooting namin nung pelikula yun ni Maning Borlasa, you know, and tatlo silang nanay. Parang ano, they'll give me the same house. So yun na nga, I wasn't really very close to her, you know, in that effect. But I did work with her.
Pero may mga, gano'ng kalaking kawalan sa industry?
Oh well, I mean, siyempre nagdaratingan na yung mga bagets, di ba? Pero ito mo naman kung ano contribution niya sa music, lalo na OPM, no? I think, I would say that she was one of the, how do you call it, the one of the people who actually established OPM, you know? So yeah, she will be missed. May mga musikero nga nandito. You know, kahapon nakita na nandito kahapon si Jun Regalado, you know, so all of these musicians used to work with them. You know, obviously, you know, very fond memories of it. Yeah, si Butch Elizalde, sabi yan. Gitarista din yan, yung mga babo.
Sir, when you hear the name Pelita, ano yung unang word na naiisip niyo?
The day come along with a song.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Yung mga ganung kanta.
Diba? Tapos may napanood kami ng wife ko yesterday when she started out sa Australia. Meron lumabas na video, very cute, na para siyang fantasy stuff ng isang magician. Parang ganun ang galing. Ang galing. So, it's really phenomenal. And pero yun na nga, you know, we have to say goodbye.
Okay.
At a certain point in our lives, you know. Sana ako malayo-layo lang.
Lahat naman na yun. So, maraming salamat po.
But she will be missed. She will really be missed.
Salamat po sa inyo.
Thank you, sir.